Breaking news. Governor Olurotimi Akeredolu speaks with the people of Ondo State over the activities of Fulani herdsmen in the last few days. Give a decisive decision approach on how things must go going forward. Has assigned more Amuteku men to the area, saying we must get on and get ourselves free from the Fulani herdsmen oppression. Governor Governor Olurotimi Akeredolu has advised residents to work alongside Amotekun to see to it that they are defended against these Fulani herdsmen that continue to come around. Hello, my wonderful people. A few days ago, we brought you up to speed that a Fulani herdsmen went to a particular community in Ondo State and they committed havoc. We also, they killed 3 people, and we also brought you up to speed that before you could say Jack Robinson, it left from the 3. The next day, they came climbing on trees, and they went again and they killed 5 people. So, Governor Olurotimi Akeredolu strategizing now on safety measures for the people. Is doing everything humanly possible as they are working at it to ensure that safety is the watchword for everybody in the community, saying everybody right now must continue to do the right thing. Is releasing more, Mutekun corps into the community. And what does this tell you? Employing of more people. Yet, a governor like Baseki is asking how he can implement the anti-grazing law if he signs it, because he has not found a way to implement it. He's not going to sign the so-called, law to protect his people. Anyway, let's get all the details. Some reporters report that about 8 persons have been killed in Arago, Majo, and Molego, both in the same Osa local government area by gunmen, Fulani herdsmen, just in 1 week. Following the reports of the killing of indigents in Osa local government area by suspected Fulani herdsmen, the Ondo State governor has intensifies security and has warned the people against taking things without informing and talking to security agencies on matters with regards to Fulani herdsmen invading the community. You must report anything that you see and you hear that is not right immediately. Amotekun have been deployed to this area to prevent the Fulani herdsmen trying to invade into our community and cause atrocities. Every one of us must report as soon as we hear and make sure that we keep ourselves safe in the current occurrence of what is going on. The Fulani herdsmen coming into our vicinities are criminals. Some youth and other stakeholders in the community has already warned that they might resort to self-defense in defending themselves against this killer Fulani herdsmen. But the Commissioner for Information and Orientation in a statement said self-defense is unhelpful, so that you don't get yourself in more danger. Report the matter as soon as you can to Amotekun Corps, who has been trained to handle such matters and more precise way, in a defensive manner, that they are safe and they are able to keep you safe. Resulting to doing it yourself may result to more casualties, because there are no proper procedures and plans in place on how to protect and keep one safe. So everybody must be willing to give out information with regards to these evil people carrying out their work. We will not allow them to thrive in Ondo State. So Governor Olurotimi Akeredolu is encouraging the people to share information. Share information and do all you possibly can to ensure that you are protected, your family is protected, because these people, they are evil, they are wicked, and they have no good intention for anybody. In fact, most of them are doing whatever they are doing. In 1 week, they went to the community the first time. They first of all killed 3 people. Amotekun Corps were deployed to the area to secure the area, and they combed the forest, and they said they combed the forest, and guess what? They ran to Edo State. But within 2-3 days again, they came back, intending to really scare the people, so that by the time they scare them away, they can take over their possession. Remember that the president has also appealed to the southern governors to allow the Fulanis to be able to graze their cattle in the south. And I'm wondering, all there's the grasses that they want is only in the south they can find it. Yes, so it can't be found anywhere else in the country apart from in the southern region. That is to tell you that there is more to it than beneath the eyes. Yes, so this is part of what is going on, and Olorotimi Akeredolu is encouraging the people to share information. As soon as anything is done, as soon as you hear anything, let it be known. Don't conceal it and try to do it yourself, because it may result to more casualties. The security agencies are supposed to be protecting lives and property, but these days we know that they don't even have morals, and most of them are, they're already fagged out. There is no true energy. They are not energetic about protection of lives and property, and all to a large extent what they are doing, is just maintaining the status quo. It's not like they are working tirelessly to see to it that evil atrocities come to an end. Some of them, sadly, because Buhari came in with a very deceitful plan where he told Nigerians that they were carrying out what we call a repentant bandit program. And this repentant bandit program, is what they have been doing. And guess what? This repentant bandit program has been a lie, a big deceit. And guess they absorb many of them into our security system. Hence, you can see how porous it is and how they've been working, and how sabotage has been in recent times. Is because people who have no business being in leadership has been there. People who have no business, who should be watched, against insecurity, are the ones now in security. So what do you expect? What do you expect? So these are some of the things happening right now. What do you think will come out of this? So whether you like it or not, Nigeria is no longer the place that it once is. Where people can go about their lives and do what they need to do, is now a different ball game altogether. So the truth of it is that Amotekun, Olurotimi Akeredolu, like what we are hearing, has deployed more personnel to that area to see to it that lives and properties are safe and people are able to do what they need to do. However, the people are still not confident, and we prefer more approaches to security. And it's sad to know that one of the states in Nigeria, is still living so backwardly. This is like 1970 something. I mean, no good roads. It still sticks being the road. And there's no, even now that everybody has mobile phone, there's no mobile connection. So what does that tell you? And yet Obaseki is the governor of the state. It's sad, but it's the truth. You think that these people will work for the state, but it is what it is. Leave us a comment. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button. God bless you. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. Bye for now.